Hello guys, it is me, Doi. Okay, it's just the actor of Doi, whatever. And this is actually the roleplay island. Yeah, this is where we do our roleplays. You don't want to talk about the video. Our episodes schedule have been cut in half because one of my videos was late, and I've noticed I have no song on. You don't hear any song, right? No, I don't want to see that. No, don't let them see that. That's for another video. Hold on. I don't have no song on, and then I hear something like it's kind of weird. I can't. I just hear a. Not even that sound. It's like a creepy sound. I'm actually it's actually kind of scary. So if you want me to do a full video on that and see if my voice is on, like and subscribe, I guess. And it's only when I go to this place, all the way over here. Listen. Thought I heard something over here. There's nothing over here. But like and subscribe and have fun. Bye.